Hello, my students. Last time we were talking about the stative verbs, and today we're going to do some exercises about the present simple tense and the present continuous tense. Here is the first exercise. Complete the following sentences using the present simple tense. He to work every day. Drive. He is a singular pronoun, so we have to add s to the verb drive. So he drives. They vegetables, not like. So they is a plural pronoun, and we need to use do or does to make it negative. So they do not like vegetables. They don't like vegetables. Here, I cereal in the morning. Eat. So I is a plural pronoun. It takes the verb as it is. Eat. She to school every day. Not walk. She is a singular pronoun, and we need to use does with it to make it negative. So she doesn't walk to school. Every day. The last one, Sam, 3 sisters. Sam, here have as a main verb, okay? We use have for plurals, plural pronoun, okay? And we use has for singular pronoun. So here, Sam is a singular, okay? So we need to use has instead of have. So they have the same meaning, have, has, have for plurals, has for singulars. Okay. Exercise number 2. Complete the following sentences using the present continuous tense. My son on the phone right now. Notice the keyword here, right now. My son is a singular noun, okay? So we have to choose the suitable verb to be is am are plus verb ing. So my son takes is talking on the phone right now. Number 2. The kids behind the tree now. Hide. The kids is a plural noun, okay? So we need to choose are plus verb ing. The kids are hiding. Notice that we drop the e and we added ing. Number 3. I in the pool at the moment. Here we need to make it negative. Here we have not swim. So I take am. I am not swimming in the pool at the moment. You can say I'm not swimming in the pool at the moment. And notice that we doubled the last letter here because we have CVC and one syllable verb. Number 4. Look, the sun is rising. The sun is rising. The last one here. Amy, her glasses now, not wear. Amy, it takes is, and because we have not, Amy isn't wearing her glasses now. Her glasses now. This is exercise number 2. Here we have an exercise. Choose the present simple or present continuous. This exercise includes the verbs have, taste, think, which can be stative. Okay, these verbs can be stative or dynamic verbs, depends on the meaning of it in the sentence. So in the first sentence here, she a bath every evening. She a bath every evening, and we have the verb have. Here it's like a daily routine, something that is belonging to her. This routine is belonging to her. So we use it as it is in the simple present as a stative verb here. So we add have. She has a bath. Why has? We did not change the verb, but have, we use it for plural nouns or pronouns, and has, we use it for singular nouns or pronouns. So she is a singular, and here we need to use the verb as a stative verb because it is a daily routine, the routine that belongs to her, okay? So we need to add the verb has. Number 2. My husband, the food while I'm cooking. It's very annoying. Always taste. Do you remember this adverb of frequency here? And I told you that we can use it with the present continuous when we have an annoying habit here. And here we have an annoying habit. Taste can be a dynamic verb or a stative verb. But here in this sentence, we need to use it as a dynamic verb, okay? So we can add ing to the verb and say, my husband is always tasting the food while I am cooking. Notice always is in between is and the verb here. This pizza, very yummy. Here, we indicate that we know the taste of this pizza, okay? So this pizza tastes yummy. This pizza tastes very yummy. So I know the taste of this pizza, this kind of pizza, okay? I know that it is very yummy. That's why I use the present simple tense. Here, taste as a stative verb. What about the war? Here, it is a question, okay? And we need to use think in present simple or present continuous. Here, think means about what do you believe about the war. When we mean that it's about how do you believe, so we need to use it as it is in the present simple tense. So what do, here we have you. What do you think about the war? Here we need to add you. What do you think about the war? Okay. I too much about my exam. I too much about my exam. Here we have a condition or activity that I am thinking too much about the exam. Here we're not talking about what do I believe. I'm talking about something that is happening now at the moment because I'm worrying maybe about my exam. So I need to use the verb think as a dynamic verb and add ing to the verb. I takes am, thinking too much about my exam. The last one here, they a party next week. And the verb is have. Notice that next week here is a planned future. It's an activity that we have next week. Do you remember that we need to add ing to the verb to use the present continuous when we talk about a planned future? So we say they are having a party next week. Okay, this is all for today. Okay, next time we will start a new lesson about countable and uncountable nouns. Thank you.